What's going on, guys? So check it out. I have the SubiSpeed JDM bezels. Alright, so I've taken this off like multiple times before, so it shouldn't be that difficult. You just gotta jam it in there, and then it should just come right. There it is. And you just gotta be careful because the hazards are still in. You just gotta work at it. You just got to work at it, and it comes right out. Look at that! Dang, boy! Dude, how did they get their fingers in there? Alright, I got the top part off. It's just a little one of these things. You just gotta push down on them. This one I'm having a little trouble with. It actually flexed a little bit, so yeah, I'm just gonna be very cautious and probably get it off camera, but we'll see. Alright guys, so back to what I was doing. If you actually just push this through, that's how that comes out. You just push it from the behind, from the back, and then it'll pop right out. So you know, that's something I learned. Now I'm still trying to get off this stupid clip, but we're just gonna keep at it and see what goes next. Ain't that awesome? So what I did was, you just gotta push really hard on this part, like stupid hard. It's coming. Yes, look at that, dude. Beautiful work. Wow, look at that. Oh wait, be careful. Look, there's a tab right there. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Oh, she's got a nice bite on that one, I'll tell you what. Come on. Come on. Alright. A lot of tension. Look, there she is. There she is. Look at that. Look at that there, mama. Look at that. It's done. Next one. We're just gonna pop this one right out. Look. Because now that I know how to do it, I'm gonna do it. You know what I mean? Like once you learn, look, check this out. 1, 2. 1, 2. Look, top part's almost out. Alright, she might be out. Alright. I'm just gonna get this bottom part, dude. Just gotta get this bottom out. There it is. There it is, baby. Hey. I got her. Look at that. Ain't she a beaut? Isn't she a beaut? I miss you, Steve. I be watching Blue Planet all the time, man. I just love watching Earth. You know what I mean? Look, we're just gonna pop this out. Look, now look, one little tab right here on the bottom, but that's, look, boom, comes right out, and then, ooh, just found a technique for doing that. There, it's all laid out. What you get when you purchase the center vents from SubiSpeed, because SubiSpeed is apparently the only one that has this, because I've been looking everywhere for this part. And by the way, when they first came out, they were gone within a week. I kid you not. Ooh, look at that. $110, and that's what it gets you. 2 of these. Or you could just paint them. You could probably just paint them, actually. So save yourself some money and paint them. Or buy them. Because this is actual plastic. So that's what's up. So yeah, we'll just stick these in. Go. It just slides right in, right? No, it didn't click. Oh, dude, did I really just break a tab? I hope not. I don't think I broke a tab. I think it's just loose as of right now because, you know, there's nothing in it to like apply pressure to. So I'm sure like when it pancakes itself, it'll, or sandwiches itself or whatever. Be cool, man. Look, oh. Oh, look at that, dude. See, this one still feels loose as well, but I don't think I actually broke a tab. I think that's just how it is. Either way, it's in there now. Here we go. All right, guys. I'm just gonna slap it right in, nice and easy. All right, back it out. Okay, okay. I'm just gonna slide this on nice and gentle. Just nice and gentle. Oh my god, that's scary. It just went right in. Look at that, dude. That's sick. Check it out. There's your piano black center. Now let's go back to the car. And we got one right in there. And please don't break. Oh, look, it goes right in. So the gray's in. And the white's in. I don't want to push it. I don't want to push it, but I do. I have to. Dude, it's in. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me. Overall, I'd say this is a absolute stellar piece, and can't wait to finish this this interior.